Will INDP shatter the $1 levels this week, or is this a ticker which has already peaked at the 89-cent levels? What's up, trading friends? Welcome back to another no BS non-biased price prediction video. Today, we're going to be discussing INDP and where I see this ticker heading from here. Now, with that said, today's video is going to have three main segments: the why, the what, the where. The why, we're going to be going over exactly why is this ticker running in the first place, considering it is up over a whopping 100% at the time of recording this video. And then we're going to be going over the what, doing some stock analysis, going over short interest, going over the company's financials, going over the company's dilution history, all those goodies. Then the where, we're going to head back to the chart. I'm going to show you guys some level where I would go ahead and buy some and sell some. So that will be me giving you guys an exclusive free alert for free, telling you guys where to get in, where to get out. So stick around, let's get into it. So the why is first. The why. So in order to anticipate where a ticker is headed, especially one that is up over 100%, remember, we are momentum traders, okay? We are momentum traders, and we need to know whether or not there's any actual credibility behind the momentum that we are seeing or not. Because if there's no credibility behind the momentum, guess what's going to happen? Just as fast as they come, just as fast they go away. It's really, really that simple. So let's go ahead and let's dig a little bit. Let's do some surface level digging when it comes to news for our friend INDP. Now, why do we want to do surface level digging, right? And this is another thing that so many people are. It's almost like a, it's a different level of. It's playing 4D chess, really, right? When I say surface level digging, you want to do surface level digging. Why do you want to do surface level digging? Because that's what the majority of the competition is doing. Trading is player versus player, okay? Trading is player versus player. When you make money, someone else loses money. When you lose money, someone else took your money. When you went ahead and you sold the stock all the way at the top, all the people that sold this stock at 80 cents, 82 cents, 83 cents, 79 cents, 72 cents, 73 cents, 75 cents, guess what? Someone bought those shares from you and now they're at 55 cents. All the people that bought this dip at 39 cents, someone panic sold those shares and they gave it to you, and then the stock went all the way upwards of 89 cents. So trading is player versus player. When stocks go up, people press buy. When stocks go down, it's because people press sell. So we need to know what the competition is looking at and what the competition is using in order to make decisions, and we can go ahead and make decisions that benefit us before they do. So this is why I say some surface level digging. Because if surface level digging is not enough to point out to me what the fuck INDP did to be up 100% on the day, then I don't want it. I don't care. I don't care. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Because it shows me the level of traders that this stock attracted this morning. Careless, not cautious, greedy, fearful, and my favorite, predictable. Predictable, because when people buy a stock just because it's going up, guess what they're going to do when it starts going down? Are they going to buy more because it's going down now? They either get stuck or they run for the exit. In the case of INDP, there was no news. There's no news, okay? There's no news to catapult this ticker. There's no news at all, right? Now, with that said, we're going to go over here and rank the news as bad. Why is it bad? Sam, why is it bad? If there's no news, why is it bad? It's bad because it's all relative, right? It's all relative. The stock is up 100%, there's no news. So that's bad. That's why it's bad, okay? Very good. Now, next thing, let's talk about the company's finances. Now that we've done some analysis on the why, let's talk about the what. So, the company currently has less than a month of cash left on hand. Less than a month of cash left on hand. You heard that correctly. Less than a month of cash. So their total cash and cash equivalents sitting at $1.4 million. They burn $5 million every single quarter, leaving them with less than a month. This is based off their most recent SEC filings, okay? Cash, they're broke. Volatility is amazing though, considering this is a stock which only has a market cap of less than $10 million. Less than $10 million, it's pretty good, okay? It's very volatile. Next, let's talk about the company's institutional ownership percentage, sitting at 4%. That's bad, okay? Likelihood of diluting us. So they need money, right? Again, they have less than a month. Historically, it's been medium. Their overhead supply is massive. I'm not surprised if they're diluting right now as we speak, okay? That's also bad. So what's short interest now? Let's go to INDP. Okay, relatively flat. Up 8% today, down 8% past 7 weeks. That's relatively flat. That's okay. Okay, so overall, bad. All right, bad. Now, let's talk about where would I get in, where would I get out. So the level that I wouldn't hate to play, which means if you held a gun to my head and I had to play this level, okay, because I would not be trading this. I would trade it as a breakout, that's it, but I wouldn't trade this at this point. The level that I wouldn't kill myself playing would be this 50-cent level. And I'll play 50 cents to 56 cents, maybe test of 60 cents, 57 cents maybe. 15% gains. That's it. I'm taking my 15%, I'm going home. So many of you guys are holding these tickers hoping they will change your life, hoping they will erase all your previous mistakes. But let me tell you something. If you're deep in the red, you're not going to get yourself out the same way you got yourself in. You're not. If you're deep in the red, you are in quicksand. You don't want to move fast. You don't want to make big moves. You want to move slow. You want to move slow. You want to move with not reaction. You want to be proactive about your movement. You want to look around. You want to scan. Oh, there's a stick there. Okay. Okay. Oh, there's a stick there, but I'm not going to move fast. No, no, no. Grab the stick. Bam. Move slowly, slowly. That's what I'm trying to explain to you guys, right? That's I think the best analogy. You need to move slow. You need to move slow. So instead of aiming for 100% from one stock, aim for 10 different stocks to give you 10% each. That's it. That's it. So if I come here and say, hey, I'll play 50 cents to like 56, 55, 10% gains. Don't look at me like I'm crazy. Don't go like 10%. Oh, yeah, okay. No, that's just one trade. That's just one trade, okay? Now listen. Speaking of losers, we started a small account challenge, okay? In April. April, we started a small account challenge. So overall, I have a win rate of 82%. This is like over 500 trades later. But April, what we did is we started a small account challenge with 10K. And since then, we've had a 90% win rate. April, no red days. This week I was in Dubai, so I just cheating. May, 3 red days. June, no red days yet. Okay? If you guys want to trade alongside me every single day, check out the community. I did now add 10 more spots for the discounted version. Okay? The next 10 people that join, they do get access for a 50% discount. We do offer a 7-day free trial and a 30 days money back guarantee. This is what our alerts look like. We give you the ticker, we give you the entry, we give you the exit, we give you the stop loss, we give you every single thing. Check it out. Check it out, okay? Again, remember, we have over 400 members coming back month after month. There's a reason why we do so. It's because people are making money. People are making money. Nobody keeps coming back unless they're making money, okay? So give it a shot. And remember, right, we're not green every single day. We're not like, look at this. For example, you know, this is a great example. Make shot. Lost $1,500 on this day. Okay, when was this? This was Thursday. Wednesday, he made 2K. Tuesday, he made 2.4K. Monday, he made 1.8K. Like, as long as you win more than you lose, right? Like, that's the only thing that you kind of got to be on top of, and that's about it. So that's it, my friends. I wish you guys the best of luck, man, whether it's in trading of everyday life. And remember, don't give up, don't quit, because 90% of traders are not unprofitable. 90% of traders quit before they become profitable. Myself, I've been trading for 8 years. The first 3 years, all I did was lose money. 2 years after that, I was green, but, you know, not every month. It was still inconsistent, but I was green. The last 3 years, I've been consistently profitable every single month. It's changed my life. It's changed. Trading has changed my life, and I'm so grateful. And I'm here trying to help the people to change theirs as well. If you're serious, I'll meet you at Top Trade Academy. With that said, Sam.